ActivPanel 9 comes with Promethean's Vellum Touch technology. When connecting a Windows device, this perfectly integrates with Windows Ink. For example, within Microsoft Word, we can simply grab the pen and start adding annotations. These annotations will become part of the Word document, which means we can save them, share them with students, etc. To erase, simply wipe with the palm of your hand. This will work across all the key Microsoft Office applications, including Word, Excel, OneNote, and even PowerPoint, allowing you to add annotations to your presentations.